1 p.m. Winter storm watch for the following in Montana, West Glacier region. Winter storm watch in effect from Friday evening through Sunday afternoon. What? Heavy snow possible. Total mountain snow accumulations of 1 to 3 feet possible. Total valley snow accumulations of 3 to 9 inches possible. Winds could gust as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Bad Rock Canyon, Essex, Highway 83 Big Fork to Swan Lake, Moraz Pass, and Polar Bridge. When? From Friday evening through Sunday afternoon. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Lake wind advisory for the following in Montana, Flathead and Division Valleys. Lake wind advisory in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain daylight time this evening for Flathead Lake. What? Waves 1 to 3 feet with southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour on Flathead Lake. Where? Flathead and Division Valleys. When? Until 9 p.m. Mountain daylight time this evening. Impacts. Strong winds and rough waves will create hazardous conditions for small craft. Boaters on area lakes should use extra caution since strong winds and rough waves can overturn small craft. 1 p.m.